Samiti students, today we are going to see the next point of the bridge engineering topic, that is the superstructure and types of the superstructure. In last video lecture we have to already completed the concept of the bearing and various types of the bearing. In this lecture we have to completed the one type of the superstructure, that is movable span superstructure. Let's start. In last video lecture we have already seen the superstructure and types of the superstructure. That is, the first type is the fixed span superstructure and another type is the movable span superstructure. The first fixed span superstructure, in this type the superstructure in the fixed in position, and another movable span superstructure, in this type the superstructure is the lifted or moved so as to make the channel navigable. That is, we have to allow or permit to transport the ship or boat. We have to see the movable span superstructure in detail and types. Then the first point is the types of the movable bridges or movable superstructure. The first is the bascule bridge, second cut boat bridge, third lift bridge, fourth swing bridge, fourth fifth traversing bridge, and last one is a transporter bridge. There are the main 6 types of the movable span superstructure or movable bridges. We have to see in one by one in detail. First is the vertical lift bridge or lift bridge. The whole span is lifted up by means of suitable arrangement of pulley or counterweights. That is the whole span, that is a total length of the bridge we have to lift it by the with the help of the pulley and counterweights. Then towers are provided on both sides with sheaves. We have to provide it both the end or both the sides of the tower with the sheaves. Next, bridge is lifted by cables which pass over pulley mounted at the top of towers, and pulley in turn are connected to counterweight at other end. That is, the whole span of the bridge or whole span of the bridge is lifted by with the help of the cables which have to pass over, or we have to lift it in a pulley mounted at the top of the towers, and the pulley in the turn are connected with the counterweight the other hand or other end. Next, it is the suitable when channel is wide and it is not economical to construct bascule bridge. In this type of the bridge or movable span bridge, we have to applicable or suitable when channel is the wide, and also it is not economy. The another type of the bridge that is we have to consider, that is the bascule bridge. The span of lift bridge may be equal to width of river. Here it is the important thing. The span of the lift bridge is the equal to river width. That is important. That is the if the river width is the 4 meter 5 meter, then the lift bridge or span of the lift bridge also 5 meter, or as per the requirement of the width of the river. Next, but width is more than the only required length of span will only be lifted. But if any cases or other cases the width of river is more than the or width of the river is more, then the length of the span or length of the bridge will be we have to lifted or pulley. That is, here we seen that the first vertical lift bridge, here we seen that the width of river is equal to span of bridge. It is bridge or this span we have to lifted with the help of the pulley, and this pulley is connected to in counterweight the other end. There is a connected to counterweight to other end. This the pulley is lifted at the vertically up to free to navigable or allowed to navigable. Here we seen that in the river the transporting or passing the one ship or navigable. This we have to maintain the, or we have to free to allowing the height of the bridge to allow the this navigable without disturbance. This is the main application or function of the this type, that is the vertical lift bridge. This span of the bridge we have to easily moving with the help of the both ends towers, and the both end towers we have to lifted or pulley with the cables. Here we see that this is a cable, this cables, and this cables is connected with the counterweight the other end. This is the counterweight the other end. This is the one of the type of the vertical lift bridge. Next is the swing bridge. This bridge consists of the balanced girder swinging around over a pier provided with the suitable bearing or rollers. That is the this type of the swing bridge or this type of the bridge is the consisting or a balanced girder swinging the round over or over a pier provided with the suitable bearings or rollers. That is the indistinct. This is swing bridge. You have to swing the bridge to free form or allowed to navigable the ship. The superstructure consists of steel trusses which can be rotated in horizontal plane. That we have to see that this is the superstructure we have to consist in or rotating the in horizontal shape or horizontal plane. Next, the central pier divides in the waterway into two narrowed, which thus reducing the navigational capacity of waterway. That is the we have to this is the center pier we have to reduces to, or we have to divide into two piers because the reducing the navigational capacity of the waterway. Then bridge has to rotate fully 19 degrees even for smaller boats to pass also. That is this swing or this bridge or this span of the bridge we have to completed rotate at the 90 degree to passing the small boat also. Here we see that the big bridge or big ship is or boat is the passing without any disturbance. This is the swing bridge. Total span of the bridge or total, this is the one of the section of the bridge we have to rotate it with the help of swinging. It either we have to swinging in horizontal plane or also 19 degrees also. This is the importance of the movable span superstructure or movable span bridge. Here we see that the another bridge is the fixed bridge. This is centrally pier is the constructed. This is not movable or this is fixed in the position. This is the first type of the superstructure is the fixed bridge. Second one is the bascule bridge. This type of the bascule bridge we have to see in we have to know the London Bridge. Various movies or various serial we have to see that this type of the bridge. This just seen. In this type of the entire superstructure is rotated in vertical plane and suitable arrangement with counterweight are provided for easy to operation. That is, in this type of the bascule bridge the type, this is the total or total superstructure of the span of the length is totally rotated in vertical plane and suitably arrangement of the counterweight to provide it to easy to operation. That is the we have to provide the suitable to support or counterweight to easily or easy to operation or easy to vertical plane. Then there can be single or double bascule bridge. That is that there can we have to design or we have to construct it either single or double bascule bridge, but is a double bascule bridge it is a very is economic than single bascule bridge. That is, a double bascule bridge can be raised faster and required less counterweight. This is important, and also it is economic condition. It is a double bascule bridge. It is easy to design, and also it is raised faster. That is, we have to pulley vertically is the faster and require less counter. We have to require less weight. Next, there is cost is low and easy to operate. Is the total is mechanical operate. Therefore it is the cost is low and easy to operate. Their working is affected if strong winds are blowing. This working or this it is a disturbance is only at the time of the winds are blowing or fast winds are blowing. That time it is some disturbance or some possibility to come to not working in proper way. This is the bascule bridge. Here we see this. This is the bascule. This is the double bascule bridge. Here is seen that the both side or both the end the counterweight we have to provide. Here is seen that the ship are traveling or transport in waterway. This double bascule bridge is the benefit is or advantage is the it is raised up faster in vertical plane, and also it is the counterweight is the we have to require the less counterweight as a 50-50 the 50% we have to require the counterweight. This is one of the benefit, and also it is the easy to operate and economy also. In this type of the we have to see the London Bridge. That is the bascule bridge. This picture it is the single bascule bridge. We have seen that this is the raised at the in single lane or single vertically, but it's a very less moving or less moving, and we have to require the more counterweight. We have seen that is the more counterweight to push up or pull it in vertical plane. But it is applicable or it is we have to use where the width of the river is less or width of river is below 3 meter. Okay, next, traversing bridge. In this type of the bridge, the whole bridge can fully or partially be rolled out forwarded or backwarded across the opening. That is, in this type of the bridge or this type of the bridge we have to totally forwarded or the backwarded or partially backward forwarded or backwarded with the help of the roller with the help of the rolling the across the opening. The bridge is provided with the rollers and approaches, and they are not in use currently, but nowadays this type of the bridge we not in use, we cannot use. This is the here seen that the roller are placed at the bridge that we have to partially or fully we have to forwarded or backwarded also to open to navigable or open to ship in waterway. The best example we have seen that this is the actual photo. We have seen that this bridge or upper position of this bridge we have to fully or partially we have to moving up either forwarded or backwarded. This is the traversing bridge, but nowadays we cannot use in this type of the bridge. Next is the we have to see only types. Fixed span superstructure. There are the 5 fixed span superstructure. First is the arch bridges, next cable stayed bridge, next suspension bridge, next rigid frame bridge, and next one is last one is the truss bridge. There remain 5 fixed span superstructure or 5 fixed span bridge. Okay, today we have to stop here. In next video lecture we have to see the types of the fixed span superstructure and remaining points. Thank you so much. And one request to all the students, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.